Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove liquidity from any farm on the Binance Smart Chain. Now for this example I'm using Fishswap. It's one of my favorite platforms. Super profitable, and I just want to show you guys something that I think is really important, and that's how to remove your stake, as well as probably explain the concept of impermanent loss in case any of you might be experiencing this right now. So before we actually begin, my name is Sash, and I believe in financial education and how having financial education can help us each achieve financial independence. Therefore, this channel will be covering everything I know about cryptocurrency, investing, business, wealth building, and more. If that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video so more people get access to this content. Alright, so really quickly, you want to make sure that you are connected to your wallet. Okay, that's really important. Then head over to the farm section. Now this is obviously assuming that you are in the farm. So this is a brand new farm that was just added. I joined this farm about an hour and a half ago. So I just wanted to test it out. I've minted about 4.13 coins so far. Very good yield. I just want to show you how it works if you want to remove your stake in this farm. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, you might want to cash out. You might want to convert your farm position into actual fish tokens that you then would probably want to sell for USDT or BUSD, and then obviously cash out. So before you actually do that, let's quickly cover the concept of impermanent loss. And that simply means that when you're providing liquidity to a pool like this, you're usually doing so in the form of a coin pair. So in other words, you're providing two tokens. So here's a really quick screenshot of one example that I purchased earlier, about an hour and a half ago. I use 1.2 for BNB, as well as 2,456 fish tokens. I purchased it at a price of 0.31. Okay, and I received 53.8 BNB-FISH LP tokens. Now, impermanent loss basically means that if one of these coins moves very far away or drops in value from the other coin, you could be experiencing impermanent loss. In other words, the amount that you will want to get back out will not match what you put in. It'll be considerably lower. Now, of course, right now you can see that our coin price is 26 cents. I did the LP swap at 31 cents. I didn't actually buy those tokens. Those are just tokens that I had minted. So the first thing you want to do is hit this minus sign here, and then you want to choose max. Click confirm. Pay the gas fee. So here's the gas fee, 0008. Okay, click confirm. You can check your transaction here. Okay, so it's completed. We received our fish that we were minting from this pool. Alright, so once you've removed your LP tokens, you can then head over to the trade section here and click on liquidity. And here you want to basically make sure you're connected with your wallet, just like this, and then choose BNB-FISH. Okay, so it'll tell you how much you've got in there. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you click the back button, as you've seen, select your liquidity. So in my case, it's this amount, BNB-FISH, and then here you basically will get to remove your stake. Okay, so notice pooled fish 2,771, but I'm only receiving 1.19 BNB. So this is an example of impermanent loss. Okay, so notice my BNB position dropped a little bit. And I know that because I actually tracked it here. My BNB position was 1.298. So that's quite a bit to lose. So I actually did this as an experiment because I wanted to show you that this is actually quite real. And you'll notice, yes, I did get a few more fish tokens. Okay, I got about 200 more fish tokens. But I am receiving less BNB. Okay, so when the fish price moves away from BNB, in other words, when it moves away from the original set that you've staked, you can actually sustain really heavy losses. Okay, so if this particular token price dropped to like 10 cents, 5 cents, okay, this would be really bad. Okay, so you'll notice now that I'm still holding on to it here, and it's still increasing in value, 2794. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on remove. I'm going to choose max. I'm going to receive 1.18 BNB. I'm going to receive 2,794, which is about 240 more than what I originally staked. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on approve. It says allow DEX to do whatever, so just click confirm. So now it's basically going to break up that LP token into those original two tokens that you swapped for. Okay, so as you can see, it tells me how much I'm going to receive in exchange. So I'm going to receive 2,818 plus my 1.17 BNB. Okay, so once it's approved, you can then simply hit the remove button. Okay, click to confirm. Okay, click to confirm. Once your transaction is submitted, you will see your coins appear in your wallet. Alright, there we go. So we've received our BNB. Now in my case, I've probably lost about $10, but that $10 basically went into fish here. Okay, so it might glitch out a little bit like this, as you've seen. It might like go away and then come back again. So this is normal. This is just what's happening on the BSC right now, the Binance Smart Chain right now. So just be patient with that. So click on close, and now you're ready to basically exchange your fish tokens for any other kind of token. So let's say here I want to exchange my fish for USDT. In other words, I want to cash out. I want to sell my fish and I want to cash out. So now that I've removed my liquidity, I'm going to click on the exchange button. Again, make sure that you are connected, and then simply choose fish as your primary. Choose the coin that you want to output in. So in my case, let's say I want USDT because that's a stable coin, and maybe I just want one. So for 1 USDT, I'm going to sell 3.97 fish. So I'm going to click on swap, click confirm swap. You can verify if it is in fact swapping. Over in the activity section, you should see something that says pending contract or something here. Again, the network is kind of funky sometimes, so if you did cash out and your contract was accepted, you should see your USDT appear here. I canceled that because it was taking way too long, but your USDT will typically appear here, and then you can obviously exchange that for dollars or dirhams or whatever currency you plan on getting in your bank account, if you plan on getting them. Notice that the price now dropped a little bit further. had I left my liquidity in this BNB-FISH pool, I would probably experience a much higher loss. This is something to be quite careful of, okay? Also, don't be fooled by numbers like this, 4.4 million%. This is actually a glitch. Developers have confirmed it. You'll notice that I do still have this stake in here. I know that I purchased that at a much lower rate, and so I'm basically earning considerably more on that. So the last thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to jump back into the pool here, because I think the pool is probably the safest place to be. I'm just going to click on add max, click confirm. Awesome. So you can see that I have in fact staked my fish. So again, we got quite a bit of fish, but again, even though the rewards are high, so are the risks. Okay, keep impermanent loss in mind when you do attempt to do this. So anyways guys, I hope that you liked this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like. Share it with your friends if you think it'll help anybody. Share it with other investors if you think it'll help them. Let me know in the comments section what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.